This is it right here. First cast of the day.
Right there.
Oh.
There he is. I knew he was on there.
There we go.
Oh, right there, right at the boat.
Come on.
Holy smokes.
I'm coming. I'm coming. There we go.
Hey, right on.
Hooked right in the upper lip. Let's release him.
Right there. There he is. I knew he was on there. Small, just how I like them. Man, I've been fishing all summer long and I've been catching nothing but small fish. I haven't broke 16 yet. Like biggest is like that. It's ridiculous. I'm hoping maybe we can change that today. Oh, what's happening, everyone? Catching Big Lures here with
Hui from Hui Fishing.
and we are here on these amazing kayaks, and I'm hoping that we can get drug around by 25, 30 inch plus fish and go for a little ride today.
I'm hoping we're gonna take a sleigh ride for sure.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I think I saw probably maybe a 45 inch walleye jump over there, so we're gonna try and go get it.
Hold on. Do you guys want to see like a Carson impression?
Yeah.
I'll give you guys a Carson impression. You see that tree over there? Ain't no way you know where that tree is. You see that marina right there? Ain't no way you know where that marina is. This kayak? Ain't no way you know where we launched it.
You know what? There's not a chance they know where we are right now anyways.
Not a chance, of course not.
No way.
This is it right here. First cast of the day. Beautiful little walleye. Caught him on a little paddle tail swim bait. So we'll let him go. Could actually be my turn again.
Yeah, well, we'll see what happens here. We'll see. We'll keep our totals. Yeah, right there.
Oh!
I knew that was the spot right over there.
All right.
Do you mind pressing record on that GoPro there?
Oh shoot. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Might be just filled with. Oh, it's a little.
It's a little pike. You want to use this net?
Little pike. Yeah, sure. Let's get him in the net.
Hit him out. I get the rod out of the way here. Right behind you.
Another small fish, but I love it.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
There he goes. Right on. All right, let's try to get this out of the net here. Oh my gosh, we're just slamming them today.
Whew.
Yeah, no, I'm stuck like I'm touchdown. I can do my dance like a touchdown. Yo, like I'm touchdown. I can do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, no, I'm stuck like I'm touchdown. I can do my dance like a touchdown. Yo, like I'm touchdown.
Right there.
Oh.
There he is. I knew he was on there.
I should be jigging for walleyes right now. Great job.
Small, just how I like them.
Just like how you like them.
Yeah.
Hey Carson,
Yeah.
I know we're in public, there's people around, but we gotta talk about this.
All right.
First thing, you wanna be professional fishermen?
Yeah.
Your shades, they're way too dark.
They're too dark?
I mean, they're aviators and they're not even Ray-Bans.
That's true.
Are they even polarized?
Probably can't see the size of the fish.
You can't even see, that's why you're always catching small fish. That beard?
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, man. Fish fear the beard, you gotta shave it, clean shave.
I've never heard of that before. That's
Yeah.
probably why I don't really catch many fish.
Your skinny jeans?
Yeah.
Why are you on the water with skinny jeans? In boots? You gotta be able to dip your feet in the water. We're in 30-degree sun.
They're stretchy though.
It don't matter. They don't dry very fast.
So if I did all these 3 things, I'd catch more fish?
Yeah, you wouldn't look like you're going to a country concert right now.
I do like my cowboy boots though.
We're fishing.
Oh, right there, right at the boat.
Come on.
Holy smokes.
Didn't even get
Came right to the top of the water. Oh, it got off. Got off. I can confirm that one was big. Can't show it to the camera, but that one was big.
I didn't see it. So.
Is the GoPro still running?
It is still running.
Oh, that's perfect.
There's other boaters here, so there must be fish.
Jerk bait.
There we go.
Hey, right on. Oh, so they are here. Maybe I don't need to switch back to
Yeah, they're here.
Okay, you changed my mind.
Nice little guy. I'm gonna give him a.
I'll get an underwater.
Hooks right in the upper lip perfectly too. Debarb, so it comes off nice and quick. And then, let's release him.
I'll hop off and.
Wow. I got water shoes, I forgot what I'm afraid of.
Kui, thanks again. That was an amazing experience. I haven't been kayak fishing like this before. So I had a fantastic time. I'm glad we were able to get on some fish. And yeah, I really appreciate it. I'm happy I didn't fall over because I was expecting to maybe, I don't know, lose my balance at times.
I was ready to push you over.
Yeah.
No, it was really good to have you. I had an amazing time taking you on the kayak, guiding you. First time ever guiding someone, actually, on a kayak, telling them what to do and showing them the ropes. But you did pretty well. I'm very impressed.
No, I appreciate it. And all of you who are thinking of perch episodes coming, you're absolutely right. And you better be ready. Thanks, man.